Hello, welcome everybody. My name is Dan Valamis. I'm joined by Edelweiss Kammerman. Hello, Edel.
Hi Dan, hi everybody. Welcome to our TechCast Demo Days.
We're going to be starting with a few intro things and then we'll get very quickly to our first presentation. Just to give you a sense of what we're going to go over, TechCast Demo Days is produced by Analytics and Data Oracle user community. And we have a great show for you today with several packed sessions. So get this to advance. We have today, we're doing Analytics Plus, and then tomorrow is Graph Days, and the next day is Machine Learning Day. You can join us on any of those days. You do have to sign up for each of the sessions. Each day is its own session. So that Analytics and Data Oracle user community is a group that's dedicated to these types of things. Today, this is our lineup, and starting in just a few minutes, we start with using OAC for marketing analytics. And then Edel's going to talk about Fusion Analytics Warehouse in a nutshell. And our founder, Sham Nath, will join us for reporting and analytics decision tree for Oracle Cloud applications. And Holger is going to be talking about ADW and Snowflake, which is more suitable for analytics. That's all today. There will be breaks in between each of the sessions where you can take a break. Edel and I will talk a little bit about some things in the A&D OUC, the user community stuff in between. But feel free to ignore us and go take a break if you need so. No problem. Our feelings will not be hurt, will they, Edel?
No, we are not going to take that personally. Go ahead.
All right, so you'll see then Graph Demo Day is packed. There may be a little bit overachievers. Packing all their stuff couldn't fit on one slide. It actually has to go through 2 slides to go through that. So, and then that's all tomorrow. So you'll want to come back at the same time to see all the stuff about Graph and what they're talking about. And then Machine Learning Demo Day is on Thursday. And in their case, they have 3 information-packed sessions on machine learning. And you'll want to come back on Thursday for that as well. There are several ways to connect up with us on our website at andouc.org. You'll also see it as analyticsdatasummit.org. You can also chat with it on our Slack workspace. You can join us and chat with other experts, like-minded experts. And as well, we have things on our YouTube channel. You'll see that bit.ly link that you can look at and look at our newsletter. You can join that, and that's a daily newsletter that comes out. You can tweet us at Analytic and Data. Notice there's no S there. It exceeds the length of the Twitter handle length. We also are on Facebook. And you can see that on there on facebook.com and the Oracle user community and on LinkedIn. So join us on any of those areas. That's what the user group experience is all about. You can join the Slack workspace. Hopefully I have a chance to show you a little bit of that in one of our breaks and talk about what we're doing on Slack. This is what we use to organize the user group itself, and as well, there's a Slack workspace for all of you to join, and that's how you join, is that bit.ly/join-andouc Slack. We want you to submit your abstracts. This is how we find out what people are going to present, and we can select from those. You can see that link. It's a long link. We'll show you how to get there during one of the breaks, and you can submit your submissions for looking at that for the next one. Also, I'll plug that we have some upcoming TechCasts on November 4th and November 18th. We have Joe Jarzewski talking on November 4th and Sherry LaMonica on November 18th. We present about every couple weeks or so on something. Also, want to make sure you know to save the date for our winter session, February 15th through 17th. We're going to do this all over again, 3 days of packed material on that. So put that down in your calendar and submit your abstract so we can include you for consideration for presenting in our winter session, February 18th. By the way, we do have merchandise on our website. Indeed, I have a mug, my AMDOUC color changing mug that I ordered. You can look at that at analyticsanddatasummit.org/shop. And you too can get any of this special merchandise. And this is some of the stuff we use to fund our Zoom channel and such. You'll find several links of interest that you may look at. And we include all of this. We'll have the slides up there on our website that you can look at afterwards. We make all of this freely available to all of you for all of that. As well, there's more information on Oracle Analytics. We'll have a chance to talk more about that in just a little bit. And with that, let me go ahead and just refresh. This is what we're talking about for today's program. We'll start out with myself and Ray Owens at 11:05. And then Adel will talk about Fusion Analytic Warehouse in a nutshell. Sham on Oracle Cloud Analytic decision trees. And Holger's going to talk about ADW and Snowflake. So you want to stick around for each of these in about 40 minutes or so of presentation material with breaks in between. We'll allow you to take a break, but then we'll talk a little bit about the user group during the breaks.